for the noise. Uzur Jusubekov of Kyrgyzstan in blue, Rustam Asakalov of Uzbekistan is in the red. Jusubekov, 27 years old, 12 years younger than Asakalov, age 39 now. And where does Jusubekov have to be particularly wary in this encounter, George?
He has to be incredibly careful with this overhook from Asakalov. He does like an overhook with his right hand and then grabs his left bicep and then kind of launches himself across the body of the opponent and throws him over. And everybody knows it's coming, so he's going for that overhook on this side now. Everybody knows it's coming, but just trying to stop it is incredibly difficult, and he throws so many people with this. Every tournament I've seen him wrestling, he's thrown somebody with this, so you have to be incredibly careful, incredibly wary. You have to keep your hands tucked in, nice and compact, and you have to try and push him, because there is a big age difference here. You have to try and make him tired, wear him down a little.
Jusubekov stands up out of parterre with relative ease.
But again, that's the risk when you go for that front headlock and your opponent doesn't go to his knees, keeps his hands close to his neck and then explodes out and stands up. If you haven't got a tight grip already, then it's going to be very difficult to try and score. Not a bad first round for Jusubekov here. Kept it close. 10 seconds left on the clock. Just needs to not rush now and just kind of see this round out. Try and work his opponent down. Try and tire him out into that second round.
George, Uzur Jusubekov, he's always been at this weight of 97 kilograms, whereas Asakalov started much lower. He was at 85 when he won world silver in 2015, then 87, and he's been climbing. Does that offer any advantage to Jusubekov, having been stable at one weight for his career?
Yeah, well, he's got a little bit more of that mass at that weight, but if you do look at Asakalov now, he looks incredibly big, even for 97 kilos, so I think he's obviously losing a lot of weight in his life to make those lower weights, so when he does make the jump up, piles that size on. I have to admit, I really enjoy watching Asakalov wrestle, just because he's wrestling now pretty much just because he loves wrestling. He's not wrestling, he's at the end of his career almost. He enjoys it. You saw him after his quarter-final win, shaking everybody's hand, thanking all the people. Will be a challenge here because Jusubekov was pulling on the singlet of Asakalov in that front headlock position. Pulled his singlet. Did step on his foot right at the beginning, but that wasn't the challenge for. The challenge was for here.
Asakalov trying to direct the
cameraman,
the officials to what he's seen, but he doesn't like.
Here, this position. So now you see it.
Well, it's clear there, isn't it? Right down the front.
Challenge decision. Here is a negative singlet foul by blue. Caution blue, 2-point red, and challenge 1.
And Asakalov jumping up and down, banging his chest. If this is it to say, okay, let's go. And when I watch this guy, makes me feel a little bit lazy. I'm not going to lie, retiring at 26 when this guy's retired, still going at 39 years old.
The good news is, George, he leaves the door open for you for later in your 30s, perhaps.
Come back, maybe, who knows?
But Asakalov here is upsetting a lot of the locals. 3-0 up. He's looking to go to his 3rd Olympic Games. And he won't mind who he upsets to get that. Jusubekov with a chance from parterre.
Going for that pattern and lift, what he used in the quarterfinals. Going for it again. Needs to try and do something now, otherwise he will get stood up. And when you've got someone with the experience of Asakalov, it is difficult, even if it is 3-1, to try and put points on the board against him, because he's been there so long, he's done it for so long. He knows how to hold on to these small leads what he gets. Jusubekov, the trick is here to move. Don't stay static. Get him stepping, get him tired. And now over on the position where they both sat then. Nobody willing to risk it and try and go for it just yet.
Two points would be enough for Jusubekov on criteria. Last 10. Asakalov so close. The grand old man of 97 kilos may not be that popular right now in Bishkek, having defeated Urzur Jusubekov, but nonetheless, the landmark in his career is staggering. A 3rd Olympic Games lies in wait for Rustam Asakalov. He wins the ticket to Paris for Uzbekistan. And only he knows what he's gone through to keep his body in shape all these years. But days like this will make it worth it. And there's heady days to come as well in Paris.